the plant of the ketone species, the plant of the Buddhism, the plant of the Hinduism, the plant of pharmaceutical importance, the plant of medicinal values, more traditional values. So the plant is called the ketone species name is ficus racemosa, belongs to Moraceae family, one of the important medicinal and all the purpose of the plant. Ficus racemosa is a traditional medicine plant for the curing of liver disorders such as liver cirrhosis, liver damages, hyperglycogenesis, and it is very important for the inflammation, anti-hemorrhoids, respiratory disorders such as cold, cough, urinary tract infections, gastrointestinal treatment purpose also use, and anti-diabetic activity. The plant containing many medicinal values. So the ficus releases is one of the important plant for the nutrition values. Also, the fruits are origin from the main stem is called calciflorae. The flowers originate from the main stem buds. So the fruits also the like attachmented fruits from the main stems. We can see their main fruits are originated from the main stem. So the inflorescence is called epithodium. The flowers are arranged in like a one flower fruit-like structure that called epithodium. Fluorescence is one of the beautiful and special inflorescence. It is especially we can see in this Moraceae ficus families. So male flowers, girl flowers, and female flowers are there. Female flowers are in the near the inflorescence. So it is the plant containing many nutrition values. The many organisms and birds are dependent and nourishment of these fruits of the fig fruits. So it is very important. The fruits containing many different type of phytochemicals. These chemicals are the important for the relation to maintain the ketone species. If ketone species disappear, the dependent birds and microorganisms also dependent. So the fruit containing many phytochemicals, these chemicals are very important for the nourishment of other organisms and medicinal values. The major compound is glucanol. Glucanol is one of the important. Glucanol acetate is very important compound. Another one is glucanol and trigonalic acid. Another one is sterols, luteal acetic, pidrilene, hydrocarbons also present. The plants produce latex. The latex is a very important source of the steroids. Steroids like beta sterols, sigma sterols, cycloutenol, urinol, cycloephorbiol. So the bark containing a different type of compounds, especially sigma sterols, beta sterols, and the leaves also contain flavonoid, terpenoids, alkaloids, tannins. Terpenoids is like a glucanol, racemosa also compound also present in these plants. These plant chemicals are the important ruling in the ketone species maintenance. So the stem bark containing perginin is main compound. Camphorol, coumarin glycosides such as leucocyidine and stigmasterols, compound stigmasterols. Please subscribe.